a violist studio tribute to our heroes.
And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence.
And in the naked light I saw people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never
Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made.
And the sun flashed out its warning, and the words that he was forming, and the signs said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls.
As first to be born, Hardship helped the fathers in our lives to be prepared to be first to serve.
Hardship made all our fathers and grandfathers to be the first to suffer within our world.
Hardship in our world made our grandfathers and fathers to be the last to speak but first to support us. Hardships often prepare ordinary people like fathers for an extraordinary destiny.
Now comes a day to allow us to thank fathers in our lives. To our grandfathers and fathers, we join with one voice to thank you. You were first to suffer so that we can live a good life.
Without your experience, you would not have taught us great lessons about life.
As our father, you were an example to us as we grew up, as we watched you suffer. Suffering, you still did not speak. Today, we thank you for all that you have given to us. Your life has become an example to us and a gift to our lives. For you are truly a gift to our lives, and we thank you for what you have gifted us.
For you are truly a gift to our lives, and we thank you for what you have gifted us. Today, we thank you for all that you have given to us. Thank you for being truly a wonderful father.
Thank you for being truly a wonderful father.